Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make wavy text in Canva. Go to the left of your screen and click on apps, and then type into the search bar what you see on the screen. Type warp. You can use this app to create wavy text. If you already have a style in mind, you can also copy it. Just type into the text bar the word you want to use. And then you can also search up the font that you used in your project and click on it. Then you can also change the color to the original text that you want to copy. And once you're ready with all of this, you can choose the shape of the wave. I chose the last one. And then you can also change how many waves it should have. Don't use too little or too many waves because your design will look strange. And once you're happy with your result, just click on Add to Design. Alright, this is how to make wavy text in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.